Hello, my name is Gadi Zohar. I'm a trust and estates attorney in Palo Alto, California, offering estate planning, California trust administration, beneficiary representation, and probate services. Today I want to talk to you about what a living trust is. A living trust is actually a simpler concept than a lot of people know. In fact, I'm willing to bet that you have created a living trust. Here's an example of everyday life where people create living trusts without knowing it. Uh, let's say you're at a restaurant with a group of friends, and let's say you want to leave early. You give one friend $20. You instruct that friend, pay for my meal, leave a tip, I'll pay you back if it costs more, whatever instructions you give, and then you leave the restaurant. Believe it or not, that's a trust. So while a lot of people refer to a fancy document as a trust, that's actually not a trust. The document is a trust agreement. The trust is the terms of that agreement being carried out. So for example, earlier in the example I just gave, there are three important actors, and these three actors are important in every trust. Number one, there's the settlor. The settlor is the person who puts property into the trust. In our example, that was $20. In real life, when it's a living trust agreement, it could be lots more money. It could be a house, it could be bank accounts, it could be art, whatever it is. The settlor puts the property into the trust. The second important actor for a living trust is the beneficiary. The beneficiary is the person who benefits from the trust. For example, in the earlier example, that would be the restaurant. The restaurant's going to get paid. Also, the person who gave the money, the settlor, is also a beneficiary because the settlor gets to leave early and not dine and dash and have someone else pay for the meal with their money. And the third important party is the trustee. The trustee is the person who's handling the property, whether it be money, stock, a house, whatever, with the instructions that the settlor gave. So that, in a nutshell, is what a living trust is. The living part is very simply stating that the trust was created while the person is alive. There is another kind of trust called a testamentary trust, which is created after somebody dies, and we're not going to go into that today. For more information, you can visit my website, www.gadizohar.com, where you can also get a free e-pamphlet further explaining living trusts. Again, this is Gadi Zohar, Palo Alto Trust and Estates Attorney.